10 big birds that all Americans know. Falcon, falcon. Peacock, peacock. Eagle, eagle, or in America, bald eagle, is our national bird. Swan, swan. Rooster, rooster, the bird that wakes you up in the morning. Turkey, turkey. These are especially popular on Thanksgiving. Pelican, pelican. Goose, goose. And more than one? Geese, geese. Vulture, vulture. Penguin, penguin. And an extra one that is the most important one, Big Bird from Sesame Street. To practice, write in the comments what each of these are, from 1 to 10.